Everything will be achieved through inspection is a phrase that emphasizes the importance of closely monitoring and evaluating one's progress in order to achieve success in any endeavor. Here are the key steps for achieving success through inspection. Setting clear, specific, and achievable goals. To begin, it's important to have a clear understanding of what you want to achieve and set specific and achievable goals. This will give you a roadmap to follow and help you stay focused and motivated. Regularly reviewing progress towards these goals. It's important to regularly check your progress and assess whether you're on track to meet your goals. This will give you an opportunity to make adjustments as needed and ensure that you're on the right path. Making adjustments and improvements as needed. As you review your progress, it may become clear that you need to make adjustments or improvements in order to reach your goals. This could involve changing your approach, seeking out additional resources or support, or modifying your goals if necessary. Maintaining a strong focus and determination. Staying focused and determined is crucial for success. It's important to keep your eye on the prize and stay motivated, even when the going gets tough. This can be accomplished through visualization, goal setting, and developing a strong support system. Accepting feedback and learning from experiences. Feedback can be a valuable tool for growth and improvement. It's important to be open to feedback, embrace it as a learning opportunity, and use it to make positive changes. Continuously adapting and modifying strategies to overcome challenges. Success often requires adaptability and the ability to modify strategies as needed. Be open to change, embrace new ideas and approaches, and be willing to make adjustments as you encounter obstacles and challenges along the way. In conclusion, achieving success through inspection requires a combination of goal setting, progress monitoring, adaptability, and determination. By following these steps and continuously monitoring and evaluating your progress, you can increase your chances of success and achieve your desired outcomes. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination, and with hard work and dedication, anything is possible.